Thanks for joining me as we explore how to make Ora suit your style or use colors for visual cues. You might be using an application that is not providing you with many options to customize the look and feel of your work or incorporate colors into your work or personal productivity. Our mission is making Ora suit your style by providing an intuitive way to use colors, making things a little less gray when working towards goals alone or with your team. Let's start with appearance and background. To start with, you can change the size of the side menu at any time or hide it entirely. To change appearance, just go to your appearance settings from where you can access a variety of themes. You could also automate changing the theme on sunset so you can put the work away once things turn dark. If you prefer the old navigation, we've got you covered. In the appearance settings, you can revert back to using our left and top sidebar siloed navigation instead of Ora 5's unified sidebar. Here, you could also find some additional options for secondary elements and Kanban column width. You also have full control over what appears on your unified sidebar. Just go to your sidebar settings and enable what you need to have quick access to, and you can always change that later on at any time. Once you're inside of a specific project, from the settings, you can switch the project background. Use one of our stock images for a background, or upload your own custom backgrounds if you're on our professional plan. In the project preferences, you could also change the project icon, either using one of our default icons or uploading your own. Within your project, the View menu allows you to choose from a rich, colorful view or go with a minimalistic option. A lot of different elements within Ora in your project are color-coded. So at any point, you can switch between color-coded views for tasks, lists, labels, task types, milestones, or epic tasks. In project preferences, you can manage the settings for color coding in terms of labels, task types, and milestones. You can have multiple labels for a single task. In this project, labels are based on who's posting the video and how long the videos are. When there's more than one label, color coding is based on which label is placed first. So a user might need to remove and add a label to make sure the right label is color coded. Task type settings contain not only color coding, but symbols you can choose from. In our video content rollback, task types are used to easily filter the video format. Options here are up to you, with the exception of epics, which is a task type that usually has subtasks. Milestones are a way of grouping your tasks by start and end date. In this project, milestones are used to track when a video was released. Going to your milestone allows you to see all the tasks that are part of that specific time range. Lists are the only color coding options. You need to edit directly from your project. Just go to your list settings, and from there you can select the color for each of your lists. The board view is just the most colorful way to view your project. You can easily switch your project to a list with some of the color coding options still there. There's additionally table, calendar, and timeline views, giving you more freedom to shape your workspace to your needs. Thanks for joining. Hope this video helped in making your use of Ora a more colorful experience and not that gray and boring place that you might be using right now.